A day in the life of Mummy Kamsi. On this day, I woke up. I was craving Egwusi soup, and I don't want to go to the market to buy something. I was just too lazy on this day. I entered my cupboard to see what I can see. I saw small Egwusi. I say, wetin remain? I can't see small stockfish. I say soup done. And now I waka go my fridge, open my fridge. I see bitter leaf, see fish. Wetin remain now? Food soup done. Now put my meat, put my fish, add my seasoning, add my salt, I added water to it, and I added my onion. I cover up my pot to cook. Wetin remain na just carry my egusi, I put am inside bowl, begins turn am. As I turn my egusi to make sure it is well mixed. This is how I like it. I don't like frying, I'll be sincere. I like cooking. I like molding it. I don't like frying. I washed my bitter leaf very well. See enough bitter leaf for the soup now. After washing my bitter leaf, this Opeyi, omo, I be native girl. I too like Opeyi, I no go lie. You see native things, they sweet me. Now I put my oil, just a very small soup now, cover my pot, my soup dey boil. Now I carry my egusi, put inside. Like I said, I know they like fry egusi. They like mold them inside. As I mold them finish inside, I cover my pot and I allowed it to boil for like 7 minutes. Now I turn them. So I turn and finish. I always like to bring my egusi out, to use spoon to pieces it. That's why I like it. So I brought it out and I used spoon in pieces to pieces it. Then I returned it back into the pot, just like as I'm doing. That's the way I like my egusi. So I put it back into the pot. And I added more seasoning and salt to my soup because the previous one I added was to steam the meat. I added my crayfish mix and I covered my pot. I allowed it to boil a little before adding my bitter leaf. So after that, I stirred the soup very well to see how mixed it is, to see if there's much water or I shall allow it to boil more. And I added my bitter leaf to it and see how egusi soup is ready. Omo, if you taste this soup, you will confess. Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.